Fascinating Monday morning on S&P, June 15th. Pay attention. We've been dancing at the end of the minor trend on S&P for 40 minutes. S&P adored and worshipped decision point 1 and respected this level highly. We have trades setting up all over the place. On this chart that has no time attached to it, we are at decision point 2, 2.5 points later. On this chart, we are at decision point 1. And that's the difference. What chart you trade is up to you. Shocker! Price is collapsing. Will this time it collapse back down to 2063? Isn't this the most magnificent puzzle of all? Do you know Fibonacci levels? Do you know where to exit at? And do you know where we are currently on monthly? Oh no, selling pressure is in. Is this gonna become more than bearish correction? Remember decision point 2 in October? The highest VIX of 30 since 2010? Last chance to buy S&P, decision point 2? Is this where S&P will collapse from? On very small chart? That's a magic. And that's the power of the price. And here is the report from our DAX queen. 20 points this morning. Thank you, Catherine. I love when my students keep me updated on their results outside of the trading room. Hand-holding does not work. Knowledge is the key and power. And that's the magic of Fibonacci and price. No indicator of any kind, simply price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. And that's what I will be teaching in a boot camp. We have only 12 spaces left as of this moment. If you click on the link Learn, if you're lucky enough to be a new student, Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp included at no additional cost. Sooner you start the course, more prepared for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp you will be. All the graduates coming back at additional fee of $777. If you're a new student, you're incredibly fortunate to start with such powerful boost in your knowledge. That spells out very, very clearly where the Fibonacci levels are. What chart you trade is up to you. It all comes down to risk management. And here are the messages from my powerful and beautiful alphas. Super! Well done! Catherine rocks! Love that! And that's the camaraderie of the students. 26 students this morning. Shocker, on this chart price is struggling at decision point 1. Isn't this the most magnificent puzzle of all? What chart you trade is up to you. Every trade decision point 1 is a different target. Last week decision point 1 was between 3 to 5 points. Correct? This morning decision point 1 is a bit smaller. It's 1.5. And here is a very powerful reminder. Do you know when to move your stop to break even? Isn't price magic? Just to remind you. Decision point 1 was respected for 40 minutes. When price came to decision point 2, I said, I expect a collapse. Move your stop outside of break-even. And that's the power of knowledge and the price. Every trade I take, every trade I show you, based on different chart and different time frame. All the stops and all the targets spelled out by the chart I use. I show and demonstrate the method from non-time-based chart to time-based chart to volume-based chart. It don't matter to me, but it should matter to you. Once you learn the method, you identify what chart you want to trade. Are you an options trader? Right now we have about 15–20% of the students who trade options, stocks, forex. Quite a few students who do both S&P EMini as a day trader and SPY as an option. Correct? So, and this is results as of this month. Clear? 27 trades, 23 trades made it to decision point 1. I was trading with students on Friday. My latest and greatest strategy was Dream Addicts. Decision point 1 was 3.5 points. Here, it's not documented because trading room was closed. We devote Friday only to education. And that's what will be devoted to Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, as spelled out on the website. 8-week course starts from the moment you sign up. If you're lucky enough to start in June and July and we have space open, you will enjoy the bootcamp. You will see markets the way you've never envisioned before. You will see how pure and how magnificent this puzzle is. We start every single day at 9:15 until market close. If market in correction, we'll get the heck out. And you can listen and see what students have to say. I save my students' comments daily. And these are the students that present this morning in the room. I'm the only website in the business that posts audio testimonies from my students. We're simply running out of space on the website. I teach you how to fish, and if you will learn how to fish, and if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. S&P blasted through the end of the minor trend. It's getting very, very interesting. Reminder why my bias remained bullish since market open. We're not just on hourly levels, we are on daily reversal zone. That's when magic happens. Key level to the upside on daily is 2083.75. Reversal zone on monthly. Exact same thing each and every time. Oil quite bullish from ultimate support, all spelled out by the price since 2011, and S&P quite bearish from ultimate resistance, all spelled out by the price far in advance. That's what happens when price comes to reversal zone. Time and time again. Never ever 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 short near reversal zone. Look to buy and buy and buy from. On daily chart 2083.75 is broken. Bullish trend has power. What chart you trade is up to you. The emphasis sincerely this morning had been we're not just at hourly levels. We are at daily levels. Price is dancing in correction for the last hour. So I hope you witnessed extremely important formations today, and the most crucial one of all. As a day trader, it is essential to know reversal zone on daily. Magic happens if you know these levels. You also remember always and forever to never ever ever enter into it. And as I've shown you time and time and time again on multiple charts, if you play by the rules, you always and forever remember to never ever ever acquire a position into reversal zone. When price comes to reversal zone, you look to short from. And if you play by the rules, the skies are the limit. And that's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Once you learn the method, it's up to you what you trade. And as long as you know where reversal zone is, and as long as you respect these levels, it doesn't matter if you trade Amazon weekly, if you trade Euro weekly, if you trade oil monthly. That's precisely crucial reminder. Know your levels, and if you know the rules, you can take a trade on any instrument and any time frame. Just recognize the risks involved in trading and identify what's appropriate for you and your account size. No need to make trading complicated. Price is the most magnificent puzzle of all. And do not forget, dance on S&P at reversal zone could not be more clear. We're still in bearish correction. Exact same thing S&P been doing the last hour on S&P. Will very powerful collapse continue, or will it remain only a correction? You know AlphaWavetrader Method? You know exactly what it means. And if you don't, if you would like to learn the method, I look forward to seeing you in a bootcamp, most favorite time of the year, that plays out only a couple times per year.